Okay, hey guys, I'm just showing you what I just got in the mail. Here it is. I got it from Cycle Gear. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Okay, I ordered this about on Saturday of last week. You got here on Wednesday. It's pretty fast shipping. So here it is. I've not unboxed this yet. This is brand new to me. Ooh. So let's see what this is. Magazine. Not bad. Wrapping paper. There it is. My new Leatt brace. Shipping thing on it. Not bad. Ooh, hold on a sec. So, I've not opened this yet. This looks pretty damn sweet. So, let me figure out how to open this. Okay, I found it. Oh, looks freaking awesome. Leatt brace manual, user manual. It's got the back clip, the adjustment clips right there. Here's the brace itself. Moto GPX. Looks really cool. Leatt brand brace. Alright guys, well, I'm going to post a video in a little bit of it all put together, and I'm going to wear it for you. Until then, see ya.